Hey everybody, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I'm bringing you my first project in the Crafty Christmas collab, which is hosted by Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts. So every week in November, we're going to bring you a project that we made with one paper pad of our choosing. The paper pad that I chose for this month, November 2020, is this red and white Christmas. It is a Recollections Hot Buy paper pad. It's got 48 sheets with 24 designs, so 2 of each. So the first page is, the cover shows you I used some cut aparts, popped them up, put them on a black backing, had some iridescent string that I tied the banner to, and added a couple of cut aparts, and this was part of the paper. This album, by the way, measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's got a 2 3/4 inch spine. You can fit easily 40 photos that are 5 by 7 or 6 by 4, plus about another 25 small pictures. It just depends on whether or not you're going to journal on the cards or not. So you easily could get about 60 Christmas pictures. So this would make a great Christmas book because you get lots of Christmas pictures. So anyhow, here's the cover. Let me show you inside. So in the inside cover, I've got 2 pockets. And with those pockets, I have a couple of photo mats so that you can get a nice big size picture there. You could put a 4x6 picture on that one, and then trimmed down some fall photos, or if you have Instax, then that would fit on there. So there's that. Now, I didn't embellish a lot on the pages. That's not my style to do. So you can just put your photos there. There is a magnetic clasp on this set of pages holding it all together, and there's an extra little photo mat over there. So that goes like that to hold it all together. And inside this page is the hidden photo mat. It's done in gray. So again, you could put your 5 by 7 or 4 by 6 photos on those photo mats. Next page shows you another magnetic photo mat or journaling card, whatever you want to use that for. And there's room to put a photo or just use the pocket for pictures. Now on the back of some of these 4 by 6 photo mats, I use just plain white, so you could journal on there if you wanted to. If not, you can just stick another photo there. And on the other side of the page is another pocket with a couple more photo mats. And there's the hidden pocket page. Now there is some foiling in the paper which looks really nice, and if you put a photo on here, it would look fabulous. So another journaling card and photo mat. And here we go with the hidden photo mat in the pocket page. More of the foiling, this time it's done in red. This sort of reminds me of a sweater pattern. And then here again is a magnetic clasp. It holds this cut apart and opens to a 2-page spread. And of course there is the photo mat. I love this collection of designs. And that'll fit right into there. Ready for you to put photos on. Okay, more of the foiling. This time it's red foiling on a red background. And there's the photo mat there. And then this one opens like that. And this one has a belly band. And there's a couple of photo mats that you can just stick right in there. And you can just put just photos in here. You don't have to mount them. Depends on how many photos you have. So that goes like that to close that together. And there's your photo mat. And here's the back page with that house design, which was similar to the cover. This is a library style closure. So it's got a flap on a pocket, another photo mat inside. And I always like putting pockets on the back. So all those extra photos you can just stash in there. And it just closes like that. And I wanted to show you real quick that I made the page. So the base page, which is basically just the tube, I cut a piece of cardstock, five and a quarter by 8.5 and 5 1/4 by 7, and I just attached them. The 8.5 one I scored on both sides, folded in, and attached the 5 1/4 by 7. And then I just took another one that was a little bit wider. It was 5 1/2, scored on one side, and attached it to that tube. And that's pretty much it. And I did add a couple of flips that have the magnet on it for the journaling cards, and a couple pages have a pocket on it. But pretty simple. So again, thanks for joining me, and stay tuned. Next week we'll be making another project with the red and white Christmas. I used probably half of all the sheets, so I still have 24 sheets since there are 48 in there. And so we'll stay tuned and see what I make next week. Don't forget to check out the other participants. There's about 25 of them. They're listed below, so you can see what we've made for our Crafty Christmas Collab 2020. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great day.